Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box. Today we've got a very big box, and I've got Eric.
Hey, how's it going? Hey everybody, I'm excited to check out this TruAudio B23-265 LCR.
That sounds fancy.
It's super exciting.
This box is huge.
Huge like my ears. Are you guys ready? Are we ready? Are we gonna do this?
I want to do the thing that we've been practicing. Eric and I have a trick. We are going to focus on this box.
Oh, I'm excited.
And make it disappear.
Hold on. I gotta mix this face.
I know.
Andre's gonna be upset because now I just moved and now we're fuzzy.
We're out of focus. But
you
ready? Ready? Whoa!
We did it!
Hey! All right!
Amazing.
Like that?
I think I might have pooped a little bit with the pressure of that though. That was good. So
We switched it. What?
that happened too.
Happened here?
That's a little side
That was
benefit.
fancy.
Nice.
We're in the box. We're in. Straight from the K-Cup.
Well, there was a problem with the machine, so I figured.
Okay. What do we got here? What's this?
This is a tree, or at one time it was.
I mean, it just doesn't make sense to me. It's like people don't even know that we couldn't even be alive without trees.
Huh?
Yeah.
This is not
A cutout?
a cutout.
This is not a cutout, but
Very
do not
clear.
discard it.
Do not discard. Use this pattern for cutout. This is a cutout. This is a cutout.
What is this? Drew?
That's a piece of cardboard.
Are you sure?
Yep. I feel pretty good.
Yeah.
Use this pattern for the cutout. This is the cutout.
Hey, Drew, I'm going to do you, because now I'm over here and you're over there. So, what do we got here, Drew?
Plastic bag.
Home to many creatures great and small, and the popping ground for one of the most clever and illustrious creatures, the plastic bag.
How about this?
Logo to stick on the grill.
Tell us all about this.
This would be your dimensions and your description information. So if you read through, you'll see not only a description of the product, all your dimensions, your cutout holes, as well as instructions on how to properly install the LCRs. Eric, tell the people at home, what is an LCR?
Here we go. An LCR is a 3-letter acronym, Drew.
Woo! What's it stand for?
Gonna go with left, center, right. How do we do?
Go.
How are we doing?
That's pretty good.
Left, center, right. So you can use it as a left, center, right. As we're opening this and attempting not to break it because we are raffling away.
We are raffling away at the same time as we start doing this. Please like, subscribe,
there's something on there that
and
we
comment. We needed that. Just so you know, your screws are on that thing that just flew by.
Yes.
Conveniently packaged.
Yes.
What do you got there, Eric?
Those are bow tied, Drew. We don't need
we
the
don't
scissors
need
or
a
the
knife.
flamethrower or the knife unless we want to open this.
This is very depressing. You've got scissors.
I've got them.
I'm going to work on this while you work on that. But
Warning, box contains a cloth-covered drill. Do not use a knife to open.
this is not going well. I'm untying my bows.
Sorry, you're getting some of my... Yes,
These are very fancy ribbons that they use to get this all in here.
they are. We thought that those were like zip ties, right?
We did. They're not.
We should have opened that box a little bit more magically. That would have been smart.
Power of our brains.
That would have been good.
Holy shnikes, this is nice.
Turns out the power of our brains is only good for opening boxes.
So we are raffling these away. There will be 2 of these raffled away to one winner. 2, one
Two.
winner.
One
2,
winner.
one winner.
One pair.
The guys at TruAudio are hooking it up because this is over a $2,000 retail giveaway.
Are we talking about Jimmy the Wookiee
Jimmy
Lindell?
the Wookiee Lindell.
Famous from the
From the last, video.
episode,
As
the
well
ghost
as
speakers.
Chase and-
Oh my goodness.
Woo.
This is going to be a 22-minute video, folks.
Holy cow, this is a lot.
Andre, you're going to speed this up and have us talking really fast, right? So all of a sudden we're talking like this and we're going to set the cloth grill now. All right, go.
Go. Where's
This
the
is
grill?
the cloth grill. Cloth grill. My mom used to
Is
be
this guy
really good
going
at
there?
doing that backwards
Look at
stock
that.
stuff.
Look at that.
Just stick that on there.
that's
And we
where
got the
we go.
cloth grill for that. So as you're opening it, Drew, the B23 265 LCRs, right? So it's got 2 6.5-inch red carbon woofers. They are sexy, man. They are nice.
Oh, yeah.
Comes with a back box.
Get into it.
You've got a, again, you'll pull that apart, but we've got a 1-inch titanium tweeter, and it is a swiveling titanium tweeter in there, right? So you can actually directionalize.
It's really
it and
nice for the
focus it.
LCRs, right? And I don't know if they'll be able to see this from our little sky cam, but it does swivel nice and easy. But that's a great thing because these really, to your point earlier, right? This is going to be either a left or right or possibly a center channel.
Yes.
So you can have your tweeter kind of angled to the left or right or center depending on where the orientation is. The one skew, it goes into all three of those different applications.
They have the whole suite, right? So you match this up with the B23-265s, which have the 4 6.5 inch
Correct.
woofers, or the surrounds, which has the dual tweeters for the bipole dipole look.
This is fantastic.
I wasn't expecting all of that. I know you know about the back box, so
Speaker box. So kind of a good thing to talk about here. You've got your dog ears on the sides, which you either can see from that camera, or I'll put it this way, maybe you can see it from this camera. The dog ears are kind of a really nice piece. Again, you're going to cut into your drywall, and these are going to kind of lock it into place as you screw. On the inside, these kind of pull up and tighten onto the drywall. So really cool piece. They're 4 on each side, which is really, really nice because as you can tell, this is not a little speaker. There's a little bit of weight. So you definitely want to make sure you've got enough support. Speaker terminals on the top side, which I'll just go ahead and flip over for you so you can see. Good news is this goes in the wall. If we mess it up too much, no one will ever know. Speaker terminals are right here for you.
not to mention the lifetime warranty if we mess it up real bad.
There you go. That's a great piece.
That's right.
Back box, if you guys don't know, is fantastic. It helps control the sound. It really tightens up the sound on a speaker. So the fact that they're including this with these LCRs is fantastic. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about what you got back here on the speaker, buddy?
Oh, let's see. What do we have back here? The design is fantastic, super heavy, which everybody always checks out. I don't know. The magnets are. Don't really know where to go with this. You've got the gold terminals on there.
Yeah, you've got the terminals on there, and the reason that there's terminals on there is actually in the back box. So if you choose to not use the back box, which you could choose to do, because these do come apart as you saw as you take it out, you can use the regular terminals. It is pre-wired in the back box for the terminals as well. So you've got a nice extension to these terminals. It's a great product. This we did not take off the plastic. Chase and Jimmy, don't freak out. We're not scratching your beautiful speaker.
That's right.
There's a plastic cover here so you don't scratch it during installation, right? You definitely don't want to do that. You've got a nice cloth grill. You've got the TruAudio logo, so if somebody doesn't want that, I think that's a really cool piece. Obviously, they always want to brand their product. We always want to brand the product. But if your customer wants that minimalist look,
core minimalism is a luxurious lifestyle. It's not about being so poor that you have the inability to have things. That's poverty. It's more about being so rich that you can afford to live like a poor person.
you can take the logo and not put it onto it, and they get a nice, clean, minimalist look. So that's a really cool option from them. You do have your cutout template again. Don't forget about your cutout template.
Let's not.
Do not discard.
Some of the other specs on this, by the way, for the spec heads, it's 4 ohm rated, right? It'll do 45 to 20 kilohertz, and it's got a max power rating of 220 watts. So the thing will take a lot of power. Goes with the Red Mountain sub. For those that don't know the TruAudio lineup, it's extremely wide line, all kinds of different products in there. Nice to take a look at the catalog and the website.
If you've never done LCRs, it's a fantastic option if someone doesn't want speakers on the floor or on the table. I just changed out some of my speakers for some LCRs from TruAudio. Actually, I love them. Wife loves them. She thinks they're fantastic as well.
Beat the wife factor, huh?
They did. She doesn't have to decorate around the speakers, you know?
Yeah, you get them in wall, man. That's really, really nice. Absolutely.
It's a killer feature, killer sound set. You still get all the sound, right? That's the big thing. When you've got a back box like this, you're not losing anything. You're really just hiding those on wall or on tabletop speakers.
Yep.
So, big thank you to the guys at TruAudio.
Thanks, Jimmy. Thanks, Chase.
I know we said it earlier, but we're never too proud to beg.
Please give us more stuff.
Please like.
The dealers
Please
want
subscribe.
the product.
Please comment.
It's over there.
Is it?
Oh,
Am I
it's
in the right
definitely.
place?
I can see it. Yeah, you're right on the right place. He's not even close to it. It's actually over here. They put it on this side.
right here.
It always goes in front of me, Drew.
Anyway, thanks to the guys at TruAudio. Please comment. Again, we are giving away two
Two each.
Two
Pair.
Two each,
one dealer.
pair. To one
One
dealer.
dealer. One integrator that does what?
Installs them.
Or likes, comments, subscribes.
Yes, comments.
Don't forget about that.
Dealer name, dealer number.
That's right.
Thank you guys. See you next time.
See you later. Why do we do this? What is this?
This is a wave.